how to create a donut chart in Excel to display a single KPI. Using a donut chart is very convenient, especially when you're using it to display a single KPI and represent that as a percentage. So I have some data outlined, and I have the actual and segment too. Now, my actual, you can reference this to, some calculations or a value that's coming from a pivot table. So that shows the value of your actual KPI. Now, segment two, I have a calculation in place that subtracts the percentage of your actual from the value one, which one in this case represents 100%. And the sum of these two values, the actual and segment two, should always equal to 100 in this case, right? So now let's insert or let's create that donut chart. So we'll highlight our data and go to insert chart, and we're going to select that donut chart. And that's it. Now, what I like to do is to take this a step further. So you get, a little bit more of an interactive feel or unique design to your donut chart, as opposed to the generic chart that you're looking at here. So how do you achieve this? Uh, First, I want to select the slice or the segment that represents my actual, and I'll click on it. And I want to go to the border. I'll select solid line, and I want to change the color will remain the same as the slice, and I'll increase the width of the border to, let's say, 10 point, and I'll format my other segment or segment two to be gray or some other color that is, lighter. And what I want to do is I'll select this and I'll format the outline to no outline, um, so that it gives it a clean feel. And I'll insert a text box. Insert text box. I'll try to center this, and I'll reference. Yeah, so I'll click in the formula bar, select like this, click in the formula bar and reference my actual. I'll center and align this, and I'll change the text to something that is, let's see, Poppins, and I'll increase the size, make it bold, and I'll change the color of the text so it matches the color of the slice or the segment of the donut that represents the actual. And there you have it, a really quick and simple way to represent, a specific KPI in Excel using a donut chart.